Hello everyone, my name is Lisa. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for Chinese Government Scholarship Bilateral Program in Cheonan University. And I will give you step-by-step guidance how to do this by using my laptop.
First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for Cheonan University International Educational School on Google. Once you are on the university's website, search for or navigate to the admission section and then click on it. This section usually contains information about various scholarship programs and application procedures. After that, look for details or notices related to the application for Chinese Government Scholarship Bilateral Program. Click on the notice or link related to the Chinese Government Scholarship Bilateral Program. Read through the information provided, paying close attention to the application steps and the list of required documents, as you can see here. Ensure that you have all the necessary documents prepared according to the specified requirements mentioned on the university's website. Once you have prepared all the required documents, proceed to fill out the online application form on the Chinese Government Scholarship website. Website link is usually provided on the university's page related to the scholarship program. Click on this link, as you can see here, and start filling the Chinese Government Scholarship application form. Once you're on this website, then you need to click on Scholarship Application for Students. After that, click on this option to create an account by filling out the form. Please fill out this form, and after submitting, your account will be created. After that, please click on Sign In and type your username and password to get signed in. Please review all instructions provided for the Chinese Government Scholarship Information System before starting the online application, and then click on Application Online. And then access Edit Personal Details to input personal information, educational and employment history, and other contacts. Ensure the information is complete. After that, you need to choose Type A application if applying for the Chinese Government Scholarship Bilateral Program through your country's embassy. Please provide language proficiency details and study plans as required. Obtain the agency number from the Embassy of China in your country. Upload the necessary documents according to the specified format and file size mentioned in Cheonan University admission announcement. Click on Submit and finish to complete application process. After submission, if available, print your application form. As you can see, that its option is not blue color because I haven't uploaded the required documents yet. However, once you have submit and print your application form, so the next step will be to seek guidance or instructions from the dispatching authorities for overseas study in your home country regarding the Chinese Government Scholarship Information Management System for international students.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it will be helpful for you. Good luck!